Hey, hey, ho, ho. This lifeline has got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho. This lifeline has got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho.
I'm Sarah Durant. I'm first year art science student at Queens, and I'm just here to help bring awareness to what's going on here, going on in BC. Just the mistreatment of Indigenous people, the mistreatment of land, and they're a sovereign nation. What's happening right now shouldn't be happening.
I'm out here, as with many others, to support the people of the Wet'suwet'en Territory in solidarity for their struggle for their sovereign rights to be respected. A couple days ago, the RCMP and the government raided their unceded territory. And so we're out here just to show solidarity and, support, and also to recognize, I think it's important that people recognize also that this is not just an Indigenous issue, but it's also a non-Indigenous issue because climate change, environmental degradation affects us all.
Wet'suwet'en, got your back. Close the roads and block the tracks. Wet'suwet'en, got your back.
Close the roads and block the tracks.
So basically there was a call out in terms of solidarity action to more or less interrupt or disrupt business as usual. So I guess it's a call of response to that. So that oftentimes people, naturally are kind of like really embedded in their day-to-day. They go to work, they go to home, they have like family on weekends and things like that, and that's basically the most in terms of their thinking. So something like this, calls to it kind of like, disrupts people in a way it's just like gives them a nudge and be like, hey, there's important things that need to be paid attention to in terms of, Indigenous sovereignty, but also the fact that we need to think about, what's happening in terms of this global climate change issue. So it's basically a way for people to be like, hey, pay attention to what's going on.